This is Nomad, and we're here at the Ugly Green Thing, working on it today. My son Kari is here helping me out. So what we're trying to do, I'm not doing much today, but you see this whole piece? I'm gonna rip this out. What I figure happened, water drained from this, went down here, and it was sitting for several years somewhere, and water, every time it rained, water came here, went in that corner, just rotted this whole thing out. So what I want to do is take all this out. Did you get that off? Okay, great. So, all right. Okay. So we got to rip this out. So that's what I'm working on today. Do this. I don't really know what I'm doing. What is this, man? These screws are here. It's like, you know, honestly, I feel like this, I must have bought the worst RV in the whole city. Because it's like every single thing in this RV is broke. But I'm just thinking of it as a tiny house, you know? Like, this is just a framework for a tiny house. I'm not even seeing it as an RV anymore. Like, I don't even know why I'm screwing that. It's like not gonna happen. I need a saw, but I don't have a saw. I need a saw. It's nasty out there. That looks really gross. I don't know what kind of creatures have been living in there. Is there a screw here? Let's fasten this down here. Something like this down. They needed to saw this out. Oh. This whole panel needs to come out. So I was going to hire a carpenter to do this. This needs to come too. This all needs to go. There you go. This whole panel needs to go out. How come I didn't bring any gloves? Why didn't I do that? It's not smart. Me and my brother used to work in houses and do this stuff. Rip stuff out. Under here there's a metal frame, basically. And they basically bolt wooden platform onto this metal frame. I mean, this is basically a truck, right? So it's a truck, and then that's how most RV companies start out, is they take a truck frame, they order it from whatever company without the body, and then they build an RV body on it, you know? So, I mean, you know, we just rip out whatever we need to get it in order. Hopefully there'll be something left, you know what I mean? When I finish. Oh, hold on. What is this garbage here? What's the jewelry? Here, let me see that for a minute. Ay, jeez. You know, I was growing up, I had to deal with this kind of jewelry rig crap all the time. Everything we worked on was old and used. I didn't even know what it was like to build something from new. I didn't even know that concept. I don't even understand it. Why does it look like this whole thing's gonna fall out if I loosen this? Maybe that's what this is doing. It's holding this whole ceiling in place. Why would that be the case? Well, it needs to come down now. Whatever it is, so I can fix it. Oh, I see what they did. This is bolted to the ceiling to stop this from falling down. Jesus. Whatever, man. If it needs to fall, it needs to fall. Let it fall. Then we can fix it properly, you know? I'm just gonna keep removing stuff until we get to some quality material. you know? What the heck is that? Here, can you do that one? You didn't ask for this today, did you? Yeah, I see. That was jury rigged to hold this whole thing up. Well, it's coming down. It's coming down. I just hope there's some quality material somewhere in this place to fix it. I don't know how I'm gonna get that other screw off. You know, if we just work on this a little bit here and there, it's gonna come together, man. We already got an ignition switch down there. Engine starts. That's progress. I drove it. I cleaned all this out. It's just gonna get better. See, when you own some property, over time things just get better, even if it takes you a long time. All right, good job. Wow, that is a long screw. I see what they did. They fastened this to the ceiling to try to hold all this up. Okay, here, we gotta get this screw out somehow, and I don't know how to do it. Where's okay, I want you to, you see this? Hold this. Maybe I can pull it out with this. Let's see if I can match the screw here with one of these. Hey, it fits. Okay, job for you. Here, use this. I don't know what they call those kind of wrenches, but go ahead and unscrew. One? Yeah, but it's a different kind of screw head. See, it's not a normal screw. It's like different. But it's working. Working. Yay, good job. We got it. All right. We're making progress. I need a proper set of tools. Don't have it. Trying to get a toolbox, you know? All right, I'm hoping I can just pull this whole panel out somehow. I have no idea how. I'm gonna try. And I gotta rip this crap off here. Okay, let's rip this crap down. Come on, crap. I need a saw. What is this? "40 years of rotten wood." I'm gonna have to replace all this wood here. Then what is this holding on to? Nothing. 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 Nothing at all. You know what I need? I need a saw. That's what I need. God, that is so rotten. Look, that just cuts through it like that. amazing. Jeez. Just cuts through it like it's not even, that's how rotten it is. Wow. I'm gonna put a fan up there. Now, how is this wood doing? This wood is not very good either. This is the ceiling wood. So basically I just have to put some more wood up here. That's all. You okay? Yeah. Okay. Can you get those screws and put them over there? Okay. Maybe that's good enough for now. I could just cover this whole thing with another piece of wood and then put a new sunroof up here. Yeah, that's what I could do. Alright, can you unscrew this? This one here and one here. That's it. So unscrew this one and this one. I'm wondering if this box. No, I think this is just one panel that comes out. I think so. This whole panel can come out. Bringing the stuff out the door. So basically I got all this here, you can't really see in the dark, but all this is gone. This just needs to be covered again with something, I don't know what. But getting there. All right, okay.